Binomials, binomian, binomian. Oh, English videos here. Hello my dear friends, how are you doing? Today, I know it's been a long time that I haven't been in here, but from now on, I'll be posting some more videos, some more efficient videos regularly. I mean, every week, my videos will find you and will help you to enhance your English grammar. So, you're not just watching my videos, you are learning something new, right? So if you're interested, if you want to embark on a journey of English, continue watching this video up to the very end, and I'm so excited to teach you, okay? Salam mehruan dostlar. YouTube kanalıma hoş geldiniz. Yani English videoyu her hepte size täällä grammatika, täällä tilluklar, yani İngiliz tiline täällä başlayanlar için esasanım bolar. Yani bugünkü videomuzda orta adlar vardır içerisinde. Yani adlar, as we all know, ahlimizin bilişimiz yani adlar demek nouns, right? Nouns. Nouns means adlar. Adların hazırki vaqtda men geçecek olan adlarım iki tane görünüşü, yani singular nouns and also plural nouns. Singular means birlik adlar, plural means köplü adlar, yani birden köp adlar. As we all know, singular means birlik, yani yekilce ad, doğru mu? A book, a car, a photograph. Hem de plural nouns, yani köplü adlar. Books, cars, photographs. Ve ikinci bölümümüz olsa thanal yanatlar, hem de thanal yanatlar. Countable and also uncountable nouns. Countable nouns means nouns that you can count, alright? Yani thanal yanatlar. For example, a car, two cars, three cars, four cars, two photographs, right? Uncountable nouns yani thanal olmayanatlar. مثلا هو بالثانى بلمدك بر هوايك هو يا ده مالك ولا ثانى بلمدك هذا هو يا مثلا برنش يا مثلا ثو شلون water rice we cannot count. So if you're interested, continue watching this video. So the part one is singular nouns. Singular means barlagatar. A book means barkitab. For example, my father is reading a book. Yani kakam barkitab kawti. Yani kitab kawti. A book changes to books. Yeah, books. That's it. I have 5 English books. A book changes to books. Yeah. And the next one is a car. Yeah, a car. My father drives a car. Yeah, again my father. God bless him, right? Okay. My father drives a car. A car means machine. A car changes to what? Cars. You're right. Yeah, you got it. Cars. For example, there are 15 cars on the road. Yani yolu önleşen machine var. Okay? The car changes to what? Cars. Yeah, you got it. And the next one will be a photograph. A photograph. Now, a photograph means right? This is a photograph of me. Yeah, this is a photograph of me. Okay. Now, a photograph changes to what? Photographs. I want to take my photographs, many of my photographs, when I go to university. Yeah, when I go to Ashgabat, when I go to the USA, okay? In orta adların sonu S harfiyle S, double S, şa bilen tutaryan olsa neydik bir S koşmalı. Yani neydik bir plural'a geçirimizde neydik köpetmeli. Take it easy guys, I'll explain it, okay? Düşündürün. A bus, sonu S harfiyle tutardı. A bus changes to, yeah, buses. Bus S. In the berde ES koşmadan alıyor. I take a bus to go to course. Yeah. And a bus changes to what? Buses. For example, people take buses instead of cars. Now, instead of means derine, yani yerine, buradan yerine. Her konularda yani adamlar taksi ederek, yani maşin ederek avtobusu biniyorlar. That's it. Instead of means derine. Ya da anlatalım a sandwich. I'm having a sandwich or I'm eating a sandwich. Men yiyeceği sandwich yiyen. A sandwich changed to what? Sandwiches, right? For example, Mr. E, my imaginary friend, yani göz yönetilen dostum, Mr. E, eats 5 sandwiches every day. Yeah, it's his hobby. Yeah, usually he eats 5 sandwiches. Now, a sandwich changed to what? Sandwiches, yeah. Alright, now let's get started with the part 2. Now, the part 2 is the nouns that are countable and also uncountable nouns. For example, countable nouns means that you can count. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 2 books, 3 books, yeah, that you can count. Yani tanap olmayanlar. Bu bölümde uncountable nouns, yeah. Tanap olmayanlar. For example, water, air, rice, money, salt. Now, I'm gonna give you 10 today, okay? For each paragraph, I'm gonna give you 10 examples, okay? What are the countable nouns? Countable nouns means tanap olmayanlar. For example, apples, books, earphones, hotels, houses, pens, planets, fingers, factories, and also laptops, okay? They are countable. What are the uncountable nouns? I'm gonna give you 10 of examples to uncountable nouns, okay? Water, yani water, air, rice, money, or cake, salt, gold, information, milk, and also snow, yeah. Are there any unfamiliar words that you don't know from here? Okay, now let's continue. Apples, almalar, yeah, apples. Books, kitaplar. Earphones, naushniklar. Hotels, mehmanhanalar. Houses, öyler. Pens, ruchkalar. Planets, planetalar. Fingers, parmaklar. Factories, karhanalar. And also laptops, yani computerlar, notebooklar. What are the uncountable nouns? Bunlardan bilmeyen sizlerine bağır olup bilir. For example, water, we cannot count. Thu, yani thu thanap bilmez. Air, hava, havan thanap bilmez. Rice olanı birinci thanap bilmez. It will take millions of years to count rice, yeah? Yani belki birinci thanap çıkansan, bir 10 yılında gitmem mümkün. Okay, now, money. Gengeri money Türkmenlerde tanıl yani. Pul İngilizce'de tanılmıyor. Türkmenlerde tanıl, İngilizce'de tanılmıyor. Okay? Şön billah koyun. Salt, duz tanılmıyor. Cake, tort tanılmıyor. Gold, altın tanılmıyor. Information, yani informasyon, havar tanılmıyor. Milk, süt. Snow, yeah, snow, what does it mean, snow? Yeah. Snow means gar, yani something white drops from the air, okay? And it's really cold. Şul beren attım on fi tanılmıyor. Yani bundan başka hem attım tanılmayanlar can, ama men size iki tanem 10 tanem verdim şunlukça. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you had a very beautiful day, and I hope those grammars were a little bit helpful to improve your English vocabulary. For not missing my next videos, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and share my videos. I hope you had a very beautiful day, and see you soon. Ciao.